You're probably wondering, why am I here today? Well, the question is I've been locked inside for the last 4 days because of a snow day. So, come with me to go do my client's hair. Yes, it's only one because it's a giant transformation. So, on the menu for today in the kitchen, we are going to be cooking up some K-tips. We're going to be cooking up a beautiful beigey neutral blonde. And it's just me, Hal, and Taylor today. Let's cue music and let me show you what we did today. Okay, so little change of events. Our water froze, so now we can't rinse out Taylor's hair. But no need to worry, we're just going down the street to our good old friends at the Atrium. We're gonna go finish up the bulwark over there and come back for K-tips. Taylor's looking good. Rest of our look. It's literally a rink.
Little field trip.
Little field trip. You know, it's the reverse of processing. We're gonna freeze the bleach before we rinse the bleach. You know, it's supposed to be better for the hair, I guess. This would happen with me.
This is a fat log. It's a fat log. Labubu.
It's a fat labubu log.
Lababu.
Lababu. It's so cute. Oh my god.
So cute.